to the place, and I come to the place, and I open the door, and they're off. Our lady is in the lead. Quattro is way behind, but lady is just hauling ass. Lady just goes on. She's running. She's saying, "What the heck? Oh man, I'm free. Tired of being in that car, tired of walking around." And Quattro is just there looking at me like the dog is supposed to. He's checking with me. He gives me that kick, and then here comes lady. Lady said, "What the hell? I'll kick you." And then this is the life that I have with these two dogs. Lady, stop, lady. This is the life that I have with these two Waterhead dogs. The life of having the life with this. We're gonna call this video "Life with the Waterheads." Lady is an active one. I gotta keep my eye on that little Waterhead. Keep my eye on her. Lady, what are you doing?